Hello. This is Ollie here from Esoteric Money, and today I have a video on Litecoin and a Litecoin price prediction. Right, so everybody's going lula about Litecoin because, well, fair enough, it's gone, it's gone and quadrupled in price in the last couple of months. As of today, it's $132 per coin, which is nice for the people who hold it, such as me. Litecoin is the right coin. Big Swear talks about this all the time. Big Swear from Road to Ruta. He talks about Litecoin being the right coin as a means of exchange because it's got very fast confirmation times. People are going to use it to pay for coffee. It's got very low fees on the network. It's got the Lightning Network integrated, and it was designed to be a very, very fast, low-cost means of exchange. So while Bitcoin is going to be more of a store of value, yes, people are going to use it to exchange value, to exchange money. Litecoin is going to be more like the most common form of money, so it is very, very undervalued at the moment, and it's got it's got a max supply of 84 million coins, so that would leave it that it will be worth about a quarter of whatever Bitcoin is worth. So Bitcoin is hovering around the $8,000 mark at the moment, so therefore Litecoin's real value over the long term, as of using today's prices as an example, Litecoin would be $2,000 per coin. So it's only $132 per coin at the moment, which means that it's about 30 times undervalued. Now, do not go buying Litecoin today because it's had a massive rally, and it's going to probably in the next month or two. It might rally further from here, there's no doubt, but it's overextended. So I'll just show you a chart from TradingView. So this is this is a candlestick chart of Litecoin on the daily. I think it's the daily chart. Yeah. So you see that it's gone down here in April 15th, 16th, and then it's May 13th. So it's been bouncing off its what's that, like the 20-day, that's the 20-day moving average. But what these cryptocurrencies, how they trade, is that they usually always revert back to the 100-day moving average, which is $85.82, and the 100-day simple average simple moving average is $82.29. So expect Litecoin to fall back to this type of price around the $85 mark, then pull the trigger. Now it might rally further from here, which means that the 100 moving average will continue to climb, and it might end up falling back to the $89, $90 mark. But that's $40 cheaper than it is now, which is a lot of money. You know, if you're going to put money into, if you want to get money into the crypto market right now, I would not buy Litecoin. In fact, buying a coin that's rallied like crazy over the last few months, that's what the stupid money does. If you really want to buy Litecoin and you don't know anything about any other coins, I recommend, fair enough, buy Litecoin. But wait, if you want to just follow this, all I've done here is gone onto tradingview.com. I googled TradingView and I googled TradingView Litecoin, and it brought me up the TradingView chart. You just create a free account. You can add these indicators on here by clicking indicators and then type in moving average, and then you go to settings and type in 100 to get the 100-day moving average, and it'll draw a line, this little trend line here. And then you can see, like, I know nothing about trading, but I know enough to know that it's not a good idea to buy Litecoin at the moment, especially when you see a cross like that. A cross like that is often a sign for on the daily candlestick, is usually a reversal indicator. So it usually, if it's going up, then it's probably going to go down. If it's going down, it's probably going to go up when you see a cross like that on the daily. So Litecoin, it's the right coin. It is the right coin to own. You know, Bitcoin, $8,000 a coin. Litecoin, probably a higher risk reward type of dynamic going on with it. So fair enough. If you want to buy it and own it, by all means. I'll give you a link in the description to Coinbase, and you can help support my channel by, and you know, you can help me out for giving you this valuable information by clicking on the affiliate link in the video description below. Or if you live in the USA or the UK or Australia or New Zealand or Canada, you can do something even better than buying on Coinbase. You can do something much smarter, which is to buy from Regal Assets. Also, there's a link in the video description to Regal Assets. Not only do they go out and they buy the coin for you, whether it's Litecoin, Bitcoin, or any other altcoin, any other cryptocurrency, but they securely store it, fully insured in cold storage. That means offline storage. So you never have to worry about losing your private keys. They're a fully regulated investment company. You can, if you've got a individual retirement account, if you live in the USA and you've got an IRA or a 401k, you can put part or all of your pension into cryptocurrency, gold, silver, with Regal Assets. They're a AAA rated company. They have been around for a long time. They're based in Texas, and they've been helping people to grow their wealth for a long time. They've also got a very high customer satisfaction rate. In fact, they've got an exemplary customer satisfaction record. So if you really want to get into the crypto market right now, I recommend that you buy Veritasium. If you haven't heard of Veritasium, it's Reggie Middleton's team. Now, Reggie Middleton is one of the smartest financial analysts in the world. He predicted the debt crisis in 2007. He predicted the fall of Bear Stearns and Lehman Brothers. He's now predicting that Deutsche Bank is going to bring Europe under, well, going to bring everything under. So this is one of the reasons why you want to own gold, silver, or cryptocurrencies, because the financial system is teetering on the brink of collapse. But Reggie Middleton's one of the smartest guys in the financial space in the world. He used to have a blog called Boom Bust Blog, where he offered his financial analysis on the blog and also to subscribers in a private members area. And Reggie has created Veritasium, which is a cryptocurrency based asset exchange, so securities exchange. So he's going to different countries in Africa, in the Mediterranean, in the Caribbean rather, and in other countries to convert their stock exchanges over to Veritasium, using Veritasium as their means of trading securities, stocks, bonds, derivatives, whatever. Gold, silver can be traded with Veritasium, and it's one of the most disruptive technologies. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, you won't find Veritas. You can't buy Veritas. It's $15 a coin. It was $450 a coin before the crypto bubble popped. But there's no reason why it should be valued that low. It's going to explode. It's going to be in the hundreds, thousands of dollars. It's going to be one of the top 20 coins, believe me, over time, because these guys mean real business. So this is one of my altcoin tips, by the way. If you want to know what are some good altcoins, most altcoins are not good coins. They're never going to work out. Reggie Middleton's coin, they've got a team of guys working on this for the past 5 years, and they are not going to run out of money because they're already making money. So these guys mean real business, and let's see where you can buy Veritasium. So Veritasium, 16.86 US dollars. I bought it at 15 a couple of months ago. I also bought it at $3 in the ICO a couple of years ago. Markets. So here's where you can get Veritasium. So FATBTC, it's one of the smaller exchanges. Veritasium will probably never be on any of the big exchanges because it's looking to completely disrupt exchanges. So they're going to have their own exchange soon, where you're going to be able to trade crypto using atomic swaps and fully on the blockchain. So it's going to be a decentralized exchange that Veritasium creates. So FATBTC is one of the places where you can buy it. So here's how you do. Here's what you do. You register an account on FATBTC. So here we go. I kind of remember doing this a while back. So you go to Coinbase, or you click the link in the description to go to Coinbase, and you send your money to Coinbase either by bank transfer, SEPA if you're in the EU, or by bank transfer if you're by wire transfer if you're in the USA or any other country. You buy Ethereum with your cash, with your money. Then you sign up here on FATBTC. It's a Chinese exchange. Don't worry, they're legit. You get your Ethereum receive address from FATBTC, and you go to Coinbase and you send the Ethereum that you bought on Coinbase to FATBTC. And then on FATBTC, you buy your Veritas. If you want to find out more about Veritas, now I recommend that you store. Veritasium is an Ethereum ERC20 token. Okay, so what that means is you need an Ethereum wallet in order to store your Veritas. There's Reggie Middleton there. Reggie, I love the guy. He is just brilliant. They've all these different apps that they've built using Veritasium. Veritasium builds blockchain-based peer-to-peer capital markets as software on a global scale. We enable the seamless connection of parties and assets without the need for a third or authoritarian interest. Any entity with internet access can participate in these capital markets on a peer-to-peer and one-on-one basis. So it's complete decentralization and disintermediation, as Reggie calls it. And this coin is going to be absolutely huge. I recommend, if you don't have it, that you buy some, because it's going to be in the hundreds of dollars within a few months. And I'm going to make another video talking about altcoins, so subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click on the bell so that you get notified when you get new videos, because I'm going to be posting absolute gold dust over the next month with all my tips for making money from crypto and how you can basically build your wealth. Get your money out of the criminal fiat money system if you're holding dollars, euros, or whatever other trash you're holding, and get real money into your hands, whether that be gold, silver, or any crypto. So I hope this video has been a good help to you. Remember, don't go chasing charts. Don't go buying Litecoin. If you really must, click on the link in the description and buy Litecoin on Coinbase. But you should wait. You should wait till it falls to this $84, $85 dollar mark, because that's where it's going to fall back to. It might extend further from here, as I said, but it's overextended. It's going to pull back to the 100 moving average, and yeah, it'll probably rally from there afterwards. So Veritasium hasn't rallied at all, which means that it's just been accumulating momentum, and it's going to so it's still extremely good value. $16 behind. It was $4.50 back in the crypto boom, and it's going to be well over that. This is this is a viable company they've built, and it's going to be huge. So I've said that enough. Thanks a million for listening. Remember to click below to subscribe, and we will see you soon. Thank you.